How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type activity status and search for it. So here, just type activity status and tap on it. And now here from the search result, just tap on show activity status. And now here in this section, make sure to toggle off this option. And now here, once you do that, it will turn off active status on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.